Exercise 4.2 second sum. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Let us draw the trapezium first. ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD. PQ are points on AD and BC respectively. So let us name this point as P and this point as Q, such that PQ is parallel to DC. PQ is parallel to DC. If PD is 18 centimeter, BQ is 35 centimeter, QC is 15 centimeter. Find AD. So AD is here. So we are going to find this AD. So AD can be named as AP plus PD. So we can get AD by adding AP and PD. Let us name AP as X. So X plus PD. See, to get this AP, we are going to join the diagonal BD. So join diagonal BD. It meets PQ at E. So we have a triangle ABD here. In triangle ABD, in this triangle ABD, we have PE is parallel to AB. PE is parallel to AB. So by basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT, we can say that the ratio DP by PA is equal to DE by EB. And let us name this as 1. We have another triangle in triangle DBC. DBC is a triangle where EQ is parallel to CD. EQ is parallel to CD. So here also we have the same BPT, which goes as DE by EB is equal to CQ by BQ. Let us name this as 2. By comparing 1 and 2, we have this term common. That is DE by EB is common. So we can equate the other sides as DP by AP. Let us name this in alphabetical order. AP is equal to CQ by BQ. Here DP is 18. It is given. And AP we have named it as X. CQ is 15 and BQ is 35. So to get the value of X, we take X that side, 18 into 35 by 15. By cancelling, we get 6 and 5 here. So 6 into 35 by 5 is equal to X. By cancelling, we get 7 here, 5 is cancelled. So 7 into 6 is equal to 42. So X is equal to 42. We have to find the length of AD. AD is nothing but X plus PD. So X is 42 plus PD is 18. So AD is equal to, adding, we get 60 centimeter. So AD has got to be 60 centimeter.